Welcome to a beautiful day in Gran Canaria. Hey everyone, for today's vlog I'm going to take you around the most popular place for nightlife in Playa Del Ingles and Palomas. It's daytime, so the Yumbo Centre should be a lot quieter than at night time. Of course, we'll film a video at night here as well, so you can see what bars are open. Just at the front of the Yumbo Centre you've got the mini golf course, so if you're the next Rory McIlroy and want to practice your putt. Actually, some of my viewers said we should come here, Ryan and Queenie, so thank you for the suggestion. It's probably one of the biggest mini golf courses I've seen, but to be fair, there are a few dotted around this area. It's almost bigger than Royal Portrush. There's even Rory McIlroy. Let's see what else this place has got to offer. Now, I'm thinking this place is more of a nighttime place, but there are restaurants and shops that are open during the day. One of the big draws to the Yumbo Centre is the drag shows. So you've got Ricky's, Sparkles and Funny Boys as well. If you're new to the channel, it would mean a lot to us if you could give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and unfortunately YouTube hasn't been pushing our videos out as much recently, which is disappointing. Large beer, €2. I've obviously came in the daytime, but here is where you're going to get live cabaret, drag shows, and there's plenty of restaurants and bars to people watch from. If you've been to the Yumbo Centre before, let me know in the comments where you'd recommend which bars are best for drag shows. We were actually here last night and caught a bit of the entertainment at Ricky's bar, and it was actually really funny. It's hard to get over the size of the place. We visited just after Winter Pride and just before Christmas, but Gran Canaria is so popular with the LGBT community, there's 2 Pride events, one in the summer and one in the winter. And there's usually a huge stage with big acts playing. This year, there was drag queen Danny Beard. Eurovision fans will know Johnny Logan has been the only act to win the competition 3 times. There's actually usually night markets along here at night as well, selling arts and crafts. There are restaurants, bars, nightclubs, everything really. Have you been here on an evening? Comments down below. Okay, so there's actually some shops here as well. Let's take a look. Lots of pictures of buffed men, but the Yumbo Centre is very inclusive and open to all members of the LGBT+ community and allies. There you go, menu del dia, $12.95. What do you get? Soup, garlic prawns, mixed salad for starters, and spaghetti, macaroni. That's restaurant Myanmar Yumbo.
Never met someone like you, felt something like your touch. I wish we would have met tonight. Sure, I've had lovers in my past, won't lie, I've had a blast, but none of them had your humor. They can't compare, no one could ever do, nobody's close to you, yeah. One night
$6.95 for breakfast at the restaurant Tropicana. English and Irish breakfast. Not sure what the difference is really. I remember seeing a restaurant in Benidorm, and I'm not going to name names, but I think it's actually closed now. But they did on the menu a wet full English and a dry full English breakfast.
I had a dream once, I kept it close. It seemed so important to have it all then. I used to believe that I needed to be someone, to actually be someone. Everyone else seemed to get it right. But now I'm the cool kid, all weird, not chasing superficial things, that's clear. Ooh, I've got cool friends, ditch trends, they always see through them. That's why I am rich. Though I got no money, no, I am rich. Isn't it funny, though? Looking back, all I see is signs. I'll never needed what they expected of me. All I ever needed was me to believe in my God telling me I don't want that life, or all the things you're supposed to like. But now I'm the cool kid, all weird, not chasing superficial things, that's clear. Ooh, I've got cool friends, ditch trends, they always see through them. That's why I am rich. Though I got no money.
We're heading to Sparkles tonight, so we'll post a video of what you can expect from the nightlife in the Yumbo Centre. Yeah, I can tell this is definitely an evening venue. This place is definitely going to come to life tonight. In the comments, tell us your experiences at the Yumbo Centre.
Not chasing superficial things, that's clear. Ooh, I've got cool friends, ditch trends, they always see through them. That's why I am rich. Though I got no money, no, I am rich. Isn't it funny, though?
Okay, so this place is huge. You've got shops, restaurants, bars, nightclubs, and all-you-can-eat buffets. Hopefully this video gives you an idea of what you can expect if you're visiting in the future. As I say, I'm pretty early. To be honest, there's a few bars and restaurants open, but we'll come back later tonight. So you've watched this far, so thank you so much. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. That lets you know when we upload new videos. See you next time.